macaws. The red one, those are the scarlet macaws, and those are the national birds of our country.
Is it a boy or girl?
It's a boy.
A boy? Is he a young boy or old boy?
He's young because macaws in captivity can live 80 to 100 years. Yeah, he's 17 years old.
Like the African gray parrots. You don't buy those for pet because you have to put them in your will.
Yeah, his name is Pablo Escobar.
Pablo Escobar?
He has an itch.
Oh, you're from Colombia?
Yeah, we named this guy after Escobar because you can hold him up, but he doesn't like anyone to touch him.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't pet him. He doesn't like to be pet.
Oh, I'm sorry. I touched you.
So how, you might have said this, how old is this one?
17.
70?
No, he's 17, but this.
17, I was like, whoa. I didn't realize
Does he
that.
have a vocabulary yet, or he doesn't?
Big lips?
Or does he have any spoken words?
Yeah, he can say Hola Pablo.
Oh, really? Hello, Pablo.
But he only does it if you walk by with something that he wants. He will come up to you and be Hola Pablo till they give it to him.
You're beautiful.
So anyone gonna hold him?
Yeah. You weigh about 3 pounds.
Yeah, he's showing you his wings.
Wow, you're good looking there, Pablo.
Oh, he's going to show us his wings?
Yeah, Pablo.
He likes to show off.
You're beautiful.
He's the alpha bird. He's telling Michael,
Ah.
I'm more important than you are.
Its
any day.
feet feel really nice.
Yeah, it's very warm, right?
Yeah. There's a nice feeling holding
Is
him.
it?
Yeah.
I get a little nervous with
And
French
he's
Mountain,
smart.
right?
He's not stupid bird.
I have a little padding, but you guys are like...
He's smarter than most Republicans. Right?
He has his feathers at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Here, now put that in my pocket.
All right. Can you do it,
This
man?
one talk?
Yeah, he can. He says Hola Pablo,
Oh, no.
but he only does it if you walk by with something that he
Okay.
wants.
Oh, you like
You're feeding him.
Hello. Hello.
Do they have tongues?
Yeah, macaws up to.
I didn't realize that.
You use that to break the food.
I just thought that
Hello.
Back up in the sun a little bit.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
in front of the...
Yeah.
It's nice too,
That's
with
good.
the greenery behind you.
Okay.
And take your hat off. There you go. There, oh, I can see. Look at that. Oh,
Hello.
you're beautiful.
Okay, don't get nervous.
No,
Don't
he's
get
showing you
nervous.
his wings.
Wow.
He's showing
You're
off.
Yeah,
handsome.
look at that. You're
Wow.
handsome.
Handsome.
They just do that. It's naturally with them. All of them do it.
Yeah.
Do they do it to each other?
Wow.
Okay.
The color's
Look
amazing.
at you.
The
Wow, you're
greens.
showing off your
I know, you're getting arm workouts today.
your posture, huh? Wow.
Can you hold him in front of the greenery here?
Yeah.
Just so we can...
Okay.
Where sometimes he doesn't like to be in the
Oh,
sun.
he doesn't like the sun.
Okay. It's gonna ruin his skin, you know.
Look at those two
It's
up
like I
there.
haven't put any sunscreen.
Actually, that's fine. That's good right there.
See, now you can see his